Welcome back to Techatop, the 5 best audiophile turntables of 2026. Whether you are upgrading your vinyl setup or starting your high-fidelity journey, these models deliver exceptional sound quality and craftsmanship. We break down performance, features, and value to help you choose the ideal match for your listening style. Stay tuned and do not forget to check the links in the description. Number 5. The Audio-Technica AT-LP120X USB BK Direct Drive. Turntable is an impressive option for listeners who want a blend of classic vinyl performance and modern convenience. Designed with a fully manual operation, this model offers selectable speeds of 33, 45, and 78 revolutions per minute, making it suitable for a wide range of records. Its direct drive DC servo motor ensures stable and consistent playback, which is essential for maintaining accurate sound reproduction. A key highlight is the balanced S-shaped tone arm with a hydraulically damped lift control that promotes smooth handling and protects both the stylus and the record. The adjustable dynamic anti-skate control and variable pitch control provide a level of customization that appeals to audio enthusiasts who value precision. The built-in switchable phono preamplifier allows easy connection to either phono or line-level inputs, making the setup accessible for many systems. For those interested in archiving their vinyl collection, the included USB output offers a convenient way to convert records into digital files using compatible software. The turntable arrives with useful accessories such as a felt mat, detachable RCA cables, counterweight, dust cover, and a 45 revolutions per minute adapter. User feedback reflects strong satisfaction, especially regarding sound quality and overall build. Many appreciate the ability to enjoy older records with clarity while also having the option to preserve them digitally. The Audio-Technica AT-LP120X USB BK stands out as a reliable and well-crafted choice for music lovers seeking versatility and high-fidelity performance. Number 4. The 1x1 High-Fidelity Belt Drive. Turntable with built-in speakers offers a refined blend of elegant design, modern connectivity, and enjoyable vinyl performance. Crafted from wood and metal materials, its walnut finish and layered structure create an attractive centerpiece for any music space. The streamlined corners enhance its visual appeal, while the detachable dust cover adds practical protection. Activating the unit requires a long press of the start button, after which playback begins with a simple press. This model supports 33 and 45 revolutions per minute speeds, making it suitable for most record collections. Its built-in speakers deliver convenient listening right out of the box, while the internal amplifier allows connection to externally powered speakers for a more dynamic experience. Bluetooth playback and an aux port add welcome versatility, enabling wireless streaming from smartphones, tablets, and personal computers. A standout feature is the magnet-type cartridge paired with an adjustable counterweight, both essential components for achieving balanced channels and warm, rich sound. The diamond-tipped Audio-Technica stylus ensures precise tracking, offering clear and detailed audio reproduction that brings life to every groove. User impressions highlight the turntable's stylish appearance, ease of operation, and impressive sound quality for its category. Many appreciate the ability to switch seamlessly between vinyl playback and Bluetooth streaming. The 1x1 High-Fidelity Belt Drive. Turntable successfully blends classic vinyl enjoyment with modern functionality, making it a strong choice for beginners and casual listeners seeking convenience, quality, and aesthetic appeal. Number 3. The XJ Home H01 all-in-one vinyl record player is a versatile turntable designed for music enthusiasts seeking high-fidelity sound combined with modern convenience. Crafted from wood, plastic, and aluminum, its black walnut wood finish and layered design give it a stylish and retro appearance, making it an attractive addition to any home decor. The removable dust cover helps protect the record player while maintaining a clean look. This turntable supports both 33 and 45 revolutions per minute speeds, accommodating a wide range of vinyl records. It features 4 built-in speakers, including 2 bass speakers and 2 treble speakers, delivering clear and dynamic sound. For enhanced audio, the RCA outputs allow connection to external speakers. The built-in phono preamplifier supports both phono and line outputs, enabling compatibility with various audio systems. The AT3600L magnetic cartridge stylus accurately tracks record grooves, ensuring high-definition audio playback. An adjustable counterweight helps balance the tone arm, producing warm, rich sound with minimal distortion. Users can also stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth or through the aux-in port from compatible devices, including smartphones, tablets, and PCs. Additionally, this turntable supports recording via USB to PC, allowing vinyl audio to be digitized and preserved in MP3 format. User feedback highlights its excellent sound quality, ease of use, and the convenience of built-in speakers and Bluetooth connectivity. While slightly higher in price, the XJ Home H01 combines aesthetic appeal, functionality, and superior audio performance, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned vinyl enthusiasts. Number 2. The Audio-Technica AT LP70 X automatic turntable is a high-quality choice for those seeking a reliable and stylish vinyl playback experience. Its fully automatic belt drive operation allows seamless play at both 33 and 45 revolutions per minute, making it compatible with a wide range of records. The three-piece chassis construction reduces resonance, ensuring cleaner sound and improved audio clarity. Equipped with the integrated AT VN95C cartridge, the turntable is compatible with any VN95 series replacement stylus, giving users flexibility for upgrades or replacements. The J-shaped tone arm is specifically engineered to minimize tracking errors, enhancing the precision of needle placement and reducing the risk of record wear. Additionally, a tone arm lock provides extra protection for the stylus when not in use. The built-in switchable phono preamplifier allows users to connect the turntable to both phono or line-level inputs, simplifying integration with a variety of audio systems. Included accessories such as a detachable RCA output cable, a 45 revolutions per minute adapter, and a removable hinge dust cover make setup and maintenance convenient. Users praise the AT LP70X for its ease of use, attractive design, and excellent sound quality. Many note that the automatic start function places the needle with smooth precision, while the manual drop option offers control over needle placement for more specific playback needs. Overall, the Audio-Technica AT LP70X combines durability, performance, and aesthetic appeal, making it an excellent turntable for both new vinyl enthusiasts and experienced collectors. Number 1. The Audio-Technica AT LP5X fully manual direct drive turntable is a premium choice for vinyl enthusiasts seeking high-fidelity performance and precise control. Its direct drive low-noise motor ensures consistent speed and minimal vibration, providing clear and accurate audio reproduction. The turntable supports 3 speeds, 33 1/3, 45 and 78 revolutions per minute, accommodating a wide range of vinyl records, including vintage formats. This model features the AT VM95E dual-moving magnet stereo cartridge with a replaceable stylus, delivering rich, detailed sound with exceptional tracking. The lightweight AT-HS6 head shell enhances tone arm stability, while the J-shaped tone arm, inspired by classic Audio-Technica designs from the 1960s and 70s, minimizes tracking errors and reduces record wear. Users benefit from the combination of manual precision and high-quality components, making this turntable ideal for serious listeners. The AT LP5X includes essential accessories such as a dual RCA stereo cable, a 45 revolutions per minute adapter, a USB cable for digitizing records, a dust cover, and mounting hardware, providing everything needed for setup and maintenance. Users praise the turntable for its solid build, elegant design, and outstanding sound quality. While some note that the instructions could be clearer, most find the performance well worth the investment. Overall, the Audio-Technica AT LP5X delivers professional-grade audio and a satisfying tactile experience, making it an excellent choice for both experienced audiophiles and dedicated vinyl collectors who value quality, precision, and style. Thank you for watching our countdown of the 5 best audiophile turntables of 2026. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect turntable to elevate your vinyl listening experience. Do not forget to check the links in the description for more details and the latest prices. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our future reviews and recommendations.